to Hey Ladybug. Today we're filming this cutie right here. She is so cute. Hey,
indeed.
It's not your turn to shine today, no. It is hers. Well, today we're going to be filming a poor dog. Instead of a rich and poor cat, there she goes, lost in the wind. Oh, hey, Belle. Hi. You're going to be famous. Well, let's start. Cool. You could be in the picture, you know.
Okay, I know.
Let's get some lighting in here. Okay, there we go. Hi, Belle. Oh, no. Wait, we gotta see you. I am a rich dog. I am so famous. I am so famous.
Yes, she
I
is
am
indeed.
so famous.
She likes gold food for
So
breakfast.
famous.
She likes
I
gold
am a
bars,
poor
too.
dog.
We have a gold
I am
pool and
a poor
everything.
dog. I am a poor dog.
Oh.
Shaking all over.
We just live on a wall.
Yeah.
We live inside a dumpster, okay? That's sad.
And now we're rich.
Yeah, gold bars and a gold house.
Yeah.
Maybe found one typo.
Oh, where is she going? Oh, she's going over there.
You're not making a YouTube video right now, are you?
Yeah. Well, there she is. The rich dog. She's so happy. Oh, she is so happy. What? She is a poor dog.
Huh? On her channel, no idea.
7 or so, or 10. Oh, I'm a happy puppy. Yay! Whee! What? I am a happy puppy with my best bro.
We are singing.
Hugging is fun for everyone. Shaking like an
Is it rich or
airplane.
poor dog?
She is a rich dog following me, apparently, because she's attracted to the camera. Are you attracted to the camera? Oh, she's a happy dog. Where's she going? Where is she going? Bubba stretching. Bubba want to say hi. Cool. Grab her baby. Grab the baby. Who wants your baby?
Who wants your baby? Yeah, she's yours.
What? This is your baby. This is your baby. This is your baby. She does got a toy indoors and outdoors. It's not your time to shine. Kitty.
You're poor kitties.
No, yeah.
Very poor kitties.
Hi, I'm back.
Very rich dog.
Yeah, you are. You are
Owns
very.
a gold house and gold dog bone.
Say cheese. You're famous. You're very, very famous. We like to present that with that lucky smile and those gold teeth. What?
Why so close?
But here's the outdoors. Oh, that scene. Beautiful.
No.
He's apparently afraid of the camera. She's here. She's Bubba.
Then